How to make an expense report template in Power BI using Sankey Diagram. Sankey Diagram data requirements. You need between 2 and 8 columns of categorical data to create a Sankey diagram. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a Sankey diagram. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a Sankey diagram with 5 data columns as follows. 4 columns containing categorical data. 1 column containing numerical data. Click on 3 dots, then select Get More Visuals to add the Sankey diagram visual. Search for ChartExpo. Select ChartExpo Sankey Diagram. Add the Sankey diagram in Visuals. Click on the Import Data from Excel. Select Excel File to load data in Power BI. Click on the Open button to load the data. Select the worksheet that contains the data. Click on the Load button. Once the data is successfully loaded, this screen will be displayed. Click on the Sankey diagram icon to add it in the report. Click on the data model. Drag and drop quarterly expenses in the category data box. Drag and drop description in the category data box. Drag and drop type of expenses in the category data box. Drag and drop payment method in the category data box. Drag and drop amount in the measure data box. Click on the Format Visual button. Click on the trial mode and enter your email to enable the trial. To remove ChartExpo watermark, you need to purchase a subscription. Click on the Buy Now link. Enter an email address and receive a license key in your inbox. Copy license key from the email and paste it in Power BI to activate the subscription. To remove the watermark, paste the license key in the license settings. Slide the Enable Trial button to the right. Click on the General tab to change the properties. Click on the title to add a title. Click on the Visual tab to change the properties. Click on the Stats to change the properties. You can set prefix to prepend $ as a prefix to the numbers. Click on the Nodes Font Style section to change the font. The change will apply to all nodes. Click on the Level Font Style section to change the font. The change will apply to the footer text for all nodes. Click on the Level 1 Color section to change the color of the first level nodes. Change the color of all nodes in the first level. Click on the Level 4 Color section to change the color of the fourth level nodes. Change the color of all nodes in the fourth level. Click on the Level 4 Color direction to change the color direction of the fourth level nodes. Change the color direction of all nodes in the fourth level. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.